we are, William. Quick update for you. Here I am at the allotments here. Taking a bag of bits and pieces out here, but you've got some tools there which I've provided for you in the doorway. Looking through down. Does need tidying up here. Of course, now in late winter here, on towards spring. Need to start planting, perhaps digging the piece of ground that you need now. I know that certainly William and I don't need all this land, so who wants a bit of land here? Well, there we are. William, if you could come and look at this, because I feel that perhaps we should use I need to put this carpet down here to kill off the weeds and the grass here, and to dig it out, which we've done several times, but just suddenly start planting and to use the allotment here. Well, you know, the agreement was I use the allotment, you use the shed. You can perhaps clear all this last summer, as you can see here. So bracken and everything here, bits of weed. Certainly, when the World Cup was on, I think it was, I was down here before the England match, but there we are. You can see it's overgrown next door there. But certainly, in terms of the shed, I do keep patching it up when everything blows off. But as you know, it's not worth spending too much time on or money. But certainly, you can use the land here and have a bit of fun, because it's easier than perhaps some of the places you've had before, and the hassle we're trying to get there. At least when you're around here, it's easy to be done. There we are, looking at down to the allotment here. This is the latest in, well, we're in mid-February here, 2018-19. There we are. So when we get here, we're just supposed to work together. Haven't checked the well. I need you to come here and do a day's work, as you promised, and help me out, because I'm usually on my own here. So some people try to damage the glass there. I don't know if it's youngsters or what. I think that's the bit you broke there, but this 2 areas there have been broken. There's slight damage here. Looks like somebody's tried to break in here. But other than that, all your things are intact here. Got you some tools there, and you got your coat there and everything else. So this is for William Rowland. There we are. Row Landscapes. Well, nice bit of ground here for planting. Give some plants away, whatever. Well, tough. Know what to do there. Since neither of us do a lot of cooking, do we? There we are. I got all this back last year, by the way. This big path here brought all this back here, as you can see. Got a big lot of rubbish to be getting a lot of fencing going over next door here, so it needs to be sorted out, that one. But I've constantly been trying to cut down these brambles, as you can see, and everything else here. We've got a lot of rubbish there for the incinerator. Over and out. Not a bad winter's day here.